What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of McGrath Fishing. My name is Tommy McGrath. For those who are new to the channel, welcome. We are at ice fishing today, guys. We finally got ice, and I have not seen any videos from people ice fishing in Illinois. We actually just got safe ice over Christmas. Today's the 26th, the day after Christmas. I'm a little bit hungover today, so it's already noon, so it's a little bit of a late start, but the ice is about 2 to 3 inches thick on this one pond we're going to. It's me, Trevor's back over there getting ready. Haven't seen Trevor in literally a dog's age, so, and also Rick Dominy, a salesman for FTA, who I've also fished with in multiple videos, is gonna be joining us today. So, target some gills, some bass. I got the new Helix 7 ready to go today. Guys, it's gonna be a whole new aspect to ice fishing with us. We got everything locked down. We're not gonna bring the shanty today, and I'm not gonna bring the gas auger because the ice is just, it's pretty thin, so we don't really need it. So everything's loaded up in the car. We got to shoot to Dave's Bait and Tackle. We need to get some wax worms. We're gonna buy a dozen minnows, and yeah, then we're gonna meet Rick there. Then we're gonna go to the pond. So this pond is honestly really known for is giant bluegills. The average is anywhere from 7 inches all the way to like 11 inches. They have giant trophy bluegills there. So super excited to get back on the ice. Like I said, I've not seen anyone film ice fishing videos from Illinois because we literally just got safe ice like yesterday or last night, pretty much. It's gonna be pretty cool. Pretty cool to film a video, get back on the ice. I think this video is gonna be pretty badass, honestly. So stay tuned, stay strapped, and let's get today underway. All right, Trevor, what are your thoughts?
No, it's not 2 inches. Are you kidding?
When I drilled this hole right here earlier, it was like it's 2 inches, but I mean, here, look, if you put your hand like,
it's pretty sketchy for as warm as it is. I don't feel like going swimming.
Can we try over there, Tommy? Because normally we fish pretty close off that bank.
yeah, we can here. Let's walk the shoreline and then walk out over there. I'm gonna put all this back. Talk to me.
All right, it's looking like some nice safe ice out here.
Yeah, guys, this is some pretty sketchy stuff. This is one thing you guys want to be really careful at.
Ready?
One chop.
All right, guys, we're here at the pond. We found some ice that is definitely froze a little bit before that side over there. That side's a little bit sketchy. It's not too bad, but we don't want to risk anything. So we walked down this way a little bit. We definitely have some way thicker ice down here. So we're just gonna go out a little bit and just kind of jig. We're not gonna bring all our stuff out in the ice, but it's actually pretty safe on this side. So I'm out of breath. I just hauled all this stuff over here. I'm gonna set up the tripod, throw in the chesty, and start jigging. So hopefully we can catch a few fish today. First ice fishing outing of the year. Hopefully nothing happens. So, all right, guys, wish us luck. Here we go. All right, guys, first drop of the year. I got the Helix. Ooh, that's nice. Look at the graph. All right, Rick with the first one. That's a pretty nice one too. How big would you say?
Close to 9. He's a good 8.5.
There you go, Rick.
Nice one.
First fish of the 2020 season. Boy, did I miss fishing with you. Guys, Rick has another one. He's squawking about it.
That one's a little smaller.
Oh, here we go, here we go.
Grab another one, Tommy.
Oh, I got them all over me now. No, I need a, oh, that's a nice one. Hey, Rick, I'm on the board. Never count me out, Rick, till it's over. Guys, the first gill of the ice season. Feels great. Look at that. Got another one on me. Oh, this one choked it. I gotta go get my other rod. This rod sucks. All right, guys, number 2. What color jig do you have on, Trevor?
This white one.
You can also pick one too if you want.
That should be good for now, but if I get whooped.
I'm gonna go to the new St. Croix Mojo. I got braid and then a leader on this one, so this will be a little bit better. Different lure too. Right, this is a nice one. Check this one out. All right, guys, that's the third so far for me. Using a little tungsten gold jig, tipped with a wax worm. Oh, dang. Guys, Rick's got a good one. He's got a panfish rod. Talk to me, Rick.
And 2 pound test. I think this is a bass.
Bass or a catfish?
So
Trevor, look at this.
I'm babying them just because I got such a light line on. Probably. Haven't seen it yet.
Trevor, will you grab the camera?
Yeah.
Just grab the whole tripod and come over here. I'll take it from there. This looks like a pretty good one. All right, guys, Rick's hooked on. You just saw my chest.
The action back on. Here he is, Tommy. Not too
Nice.
bad. I said a big bass. He's about 15 inches.
There you go.
Yeah.
Is that your first bass ice fishing this year?
Yes.
There you go. Oh, nice. Trevor's got one over there. Guys, the boys are slaying. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. That's a big mark. I got like 4 or 5 on me right now. There it is.
I screwed up my video up by having my hat fall off.
You're good. These gills in this pond are honestly like, they have a really nice pattern to them. Like sometimes you'll pull them up and you'll get like a nice purple in here up top, and some of them are like really purple like that, like lavender magenta. But here it is. Nice little bluegill. Trevor's actually got one too, so nice double up. Rick just caught a nice bass, probably about a 15-incher. I showed you guys that. But the bite's good. This is first ice in Illinois. Here we go. There it is. Here's the double up. It's gonna release. Holy shit, look how much water I have by me, and Trevor too. Fucking Titanic over here. So guys, one thing I'm gonna do this year, I know it's first ice, and the ice really, we didn't even really know if we we're gonna be able to get out until we found some of this safer ice over here. I'm an idiot and forgot some camera batteries, so I would drop the underwater camera down, but first video of the year, no big deal. Maybe I'll get some underwater action if I can. I'm gonna try and catch a few more here. There it is. Decent one. Another gill, guys. Another decent one. Probably about a 7-incher, maybe 8 here. And Rick just doubled up.
Who's bigger? Both the same.
Oh, sh.
Can I take you guys a picture? I've never seen fishing like this before.
Of course.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
No problem.
Of course.
We're from Florida. It's 40 degrees there now. And we got to go back Sunday. Thank you.
No
Of course, no problem.
Have a good one.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Little entertainment on the ice. Some lady just stopped by to take a picture of us. They're from Florida. They've never seen ice, or they've never seen us fishing ice fishermen before. Rick, the ice is so clear that I was able to read my jig through the ice on the transducer.
Yeah.
That's wild. So guys, at the first, like, probably, what'd you say, 20 minutes of fishing? Half hour, we already have about 20 to 25 gills between the 3 of us. First ice in Illinois, and it's going well. All right, guys, so I just set a tip up there. Rick has a tip up over there. Trevor's got one right there. Trevor's jigging there. He's over there, and then I'm jigging right here. Already 25 gills landed. Oh, I got no bait.
Come on, Tommy.
So far, this is a pretty good day to get out in the ice finally. December 26th, the day after Christmas. That warm day of 53 kind of screwed everything up. It was like literally, this was open water probably a few days ago, and then those really cold nights kind of solidified everything. So hopefully we can keep ice fishing from here on out, but first day of ice fishing has been a success so far. Ooh, giant mark, giant mark. Huge mark. Oh. Yeah. Not bad. Here's your bass. Yeah. No way. I knew it was a giant mark too, guys. All right, there it is. My first bass, ice fishing, my first bass of the day. Well, not my first ever, but just this season. Here you go.
Yes.
Nice, thanks.
Welcome, brother.
All right, guys, a quick update. That was my first tip up right there. Got a nice little bass, probably another 15, 16 incher. And then Rick actually has a tip up right over there.
And it's barely turning.
So Rick's a professional when it comes to tip up. You guys have seen him in my Northern Pike videos. Oh, big mark. Big mark. So guys, you see I have a tip up right here. So right there, that big mark, that is most likely a bass on me right now. So if he doesn't want this, I have a good chance of getting him on that minnow right there. So it kind of works out. All right, Rick, let's see what you're really made of. Let's see what you got. Here, talk to me.
I got something on here. It seems like there's something on this one because it was turning a little bit. The other one hasn't turned at all.
That one was ripping.
I like taking them when they're moving. I hate taking them when they're just sitting there. When they're moving, you got less of a chance of the fish feeling you when you pull the tip up out.
So we got a tip up there.
Oh well.
A tip up there, and then we got all our everything jigging there. I got a tip over there.
I'm gonna try taking this one. No, there's nothing there.
No?
The minnow's still there. I can feel that the minnow's still on there, but it dropped it. So we're just gonna wind that up a little bit and leave it down there, see if he comes back. I have a feeling that other one dropped it too, because it has not moved.
And that was right after my tip up fish too.
Yeah, right.
And guys, when he's saying no action, he's mostly talking about these tip ups and bass. We've been slamming the gills. We probably have close to 50 for the day.
Yeah, nothing here either.
No?
Oh, that one's up again.
No way. This is all in one scene too.
This one, the minnow's still there also, so I'm just gonna reset it. I can feel that there's still a minnow on there. Oh, he might be there this time.
You're gonna go for it?
No.
No?
No, nothing there. I think the minnow's still there, so I don't want to pull it up. I'm just going to leave it down there and see if he comes back again.
Now, someone new to ice fishing, do you think sometimes when flags pop up, it could be the minnow in a way?
Absolutely. So I usually fish for northerns or walleyes, and they don't usually mess with it like this, especially a northern. When they hit it, they rip it, and you almost always get them. These could just be smaller bass, or they just could be finicky today for some reason, but they're definitely hitting it and dropping it and not taking it. We were just talking about using a jigging Rapala. That might be another technique to try here. Go back and grab that rod, Tommy.
Got him. I think this one's a gill. Oh, it's a nice gill. Another gill for the day, guys. Not a bad one. Got that cool purple. Guys, this is kind of what I was talking about, like that purple. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but Just did some saucy drone flights. First drop down, already got one. Oh, here we go, here we go. Oh, that's a good one. One of my bigger ones of the day. Guys, one of the nicer gills. That's a good one. Oh, that was ripping, Rick. Holy sh**.
You ready?
Yep. All right, guys, now look at the GoPro, because this one, look at that.
Yeah.
It's spinning quick.
So we're gonna take them. Got him.
Got him?
Yeah, not big. Probably a bass. There he is.
There you go.
He was ripping it.
I think it was flying. Remember when we got spooled that one time?
Got him right in the lip.
Was that your second bass today?
Second bass today.
Nice, Rick.
All right.
Oh, there it is. Could he actually be picking up? Dude, that thing was flying. Guys, this is a game changer with this Helix. I actually love it. I do like that flasher that Trevor's using as well. That's my flasher I had last year. It's an Ice 35. It gets the job done, but I definitely like this Helix, I think, a lot more. It's gonna be better for different species, and I think for bluegill fishing, I think the flasher might be better, but I guess it's the same thing. I mean, there's a flasher right there. I heard that there's like some complaints about like how it takes a while for that to read depth right when you find a new hole. I haven't experienced that yet, at least. Check out that one.
Nice one.
So now that I took you here, do I get your tartar sauce recipe?
No.
There it is. Small one. Getting pretty late. I think it's 4:37, I believe. Sounds right.